Little lady enjoying life. Come on, let's go this way. Go this way. Little lady. Yeah, let's go this way. Yeah. You're just going back that way. Goodness, girl. Come on. Let's go this way, Bella. Pretty girl. Are you playing? Come on. Let's work our way back this way. Come on. Up. You want up? Nope. Just want to go this way. All right. Keep going. Hi. Are you waving? Look at you waving. Where are we going, lady? Where are we going? Well, where are we going? Beautiful girl. Center in the world. One of my centers of the world. You waving bye-bye? I just don't want that dog to come out and jump on me. Guess I'll just have to pull you up if they come out. Pretty girl. Pretty baby. I love you. You're getting so big. Come along this way. Come on. Hey, pretty baby. My baby girl. Uh-oh, you okay? You okay? Go on, keep going. You were walking. Walking, walking, walking. Walking's good to help people mentally as well as physically. Yes, yes, yes. Or just being outside if they can't do those things. Okay, let's go this way. I don't want to be in somebody else's yard. Let's go this way. Come on. Come on, big girl. Come on, big little bitty. Come on. There we go. Let's go back this way. Come on. Look at you. You're getting so big, though. Yes, you are. Come on. This way. Hey, pretty girl. 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 Let's go back this way. Here. Come on. I don't care if you walk. Just stay with me. Oh. Try again. Come on. Pretty baby. Come on. Bella. Isabella. Uh-oh. Slow down. Hey, let's go. You keep trying to go this way. Goodness. Okay, let's go back this way, baby. There we go. Some good exercise. Here we go. Let's go back this way. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go, little kitty pie. Yeah, there we go. Where are we going now? This way? Okay. Why you keep going towards that way, huh? Is that a leaf? Leaf? Just don't eat it, okay? It's not food. It's not yummies. Come on, go walk this way. Oh, we're going this way. Oh, you found no leaf. Hey, pretty girl. What are we doing? We playing with the leaf and tearing it up. We gotta tear up all the little leaves. Look at you, just a flobbering. Carol, you get so big. Come this way. There's your leaf. Here, there's my girl leaf. Uh-oh, I got your arm. Oh, let's get off that bug. Pretty girl. Now where we going? Find another leaf and tear it up. Come on. This way, Bella. Hey. Let's get over here where there's some more leaves. And not so close to that tree, please. Come on, let's go this way. There's more leaves this way, baby. Ooh. And I don't know what kind this head is. There we go. Go that way. Yeah, let's go that way. There you go. Play with the leaf. Yeah? Yeah. Remember, don't eat it. No good. As far as that goes. Ooh, crunch, crunch, crunch. Trying to shoot these gnats, mosquitoes, or whatever they are. You found another leaf? Look at you. Where are we going? Get this leaf over here. Ooh. Ooh. Nope, 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 nope. Let's not put that in our mouth. Woo! Good job, Bella. Woohoo! Look, it blew away with the wind. Yeah. Nah, Don't think about it. There we go. There we go. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. Sometimes you just need this in life. Just look outside, either you, your baby, or just you in general. And let God have all your weaknesses, because He will make you strong. Either God or your higher power. We're not about trying to make people believe our way or any other way. We're just to love people. Life can be a struggle, but sometimes just the littlest things in life we take for granted. We gotta stop taking the littlest things. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, try again. There you go. Just like her. She fell and she tried again and she got up. Even if life looks just impossible. Just get up and try it again, and you know, it somehow gets better for everyone. Some form of way. You playing with the grass. We appreciate all that y'all do for us, of watching us and just being here supportive of and being part of our family. Bella, is that a stick? Ooh, got a mosquito on me. Seem to be doing okay with mosquitoes. I say that, but I don't see none. Make sure there ain't no ant piles over here. What you talking about, little lady? Huh? What you talking about? What you talking about, pretty? Oh. Can we go this way now? I'm behind you. I'm behind you and beside you. No matter what life goes. That's concrete. Or gravel looking stuff that made to make the post. Dirt. Yeah, it's dirt. Dirt. That's some twigs. Yeah, some twigs. Come on. I don't want to stay in one place too long because I don't want to get bit up by ants. Yep, got some. Come on. Oh, be careful. Watch out for that bug. Okay, let's go this way, little bug. Oh, you saw the leaf. Okay. Yeah, leaf. Come on, let's walk. Good job, Bella. Good job. Good job, Bella. Oh, now you gotta pull the grass up. Look how strong you are. Get it, girl. You having fun? Yeah. Bella. Bella. Hey, Bella. Isabella. Bella. I'm getting bit left and right. Thankfully you aren't yet. Hopefully not. But what I can see, I'm looking really good. That's why I'm going to keep you moving. There we go. Keep you moving so we don't get bit. Hey, Bella, come here. Come here. You chasing whatever bug that is. Oh, you're chasing the bugs. Let's go back this way. Bella, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Bella. Bye-bye, Bella. Hey, Bella. Bella. Hey, come back this way, cutie. Come back this way, cutie. Bye-bye. Let's see if she follows y'all. I think she'll follow. Come on. Don't get distracted. Hey, cutie patootie. You're doing so good. You're doing a good job. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Crunch, crunch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Woo! Hey, Bella, let's go this way and get these leaves. I need you to make them much crunchy. Go crunch, crunch, crunch. Come along, too. Do-do-do-do-do. Bella. Look, here's some leaves. Oh, you missed all those? Let's watch out for that, whatever that is in the ground. Oh, back to our little nest in the ground. Yeah. Oh, come on, you walking with me? Ooh, all the skeeters or bugs in this area. Come on, let's go this way. Come on. There's my baby. Good job. Come to mama. You want up? I bet you're tired now after 16 minutes of walking. You want up? Up. Up. There's just some more leaves. You tired now? Yeah? You want up? Nope. I'm hot. Come on. Hey, pretty girl. Boo. You're so beautiful. You get so strong. You're so big. No, no, no. Don't put it in your mouth. Just gonna let her go till she wants to go in. Unless we're getting a bit too bad or something like that. Definitely don't go in this pile. Here, let's go up. Don't want to get in that ant pile. No, no, don't go right back to it. Nah, Nope, that's not dirt, baby. Did you get some of that in your mouth? Wee! Look at them boogers just a-going. We need to go catch a nose, huh? Thank you for watching. We hope you'll have a good day.